welcome to Vanventures in Bredasdorp. We are here today with Akela, and Akela is getting a brand new facelift. So the whole front, or the old front bumper is coming off and the new one is going on. They're still busy taking this one off. This is a custom front bumper, rock crawler deer geared at the bottom half and BOC did the hoops on the top. So now we are replacing this with a complete Wildog bumper set. Now there's many reasons why I've wanted to change it. Wildog, I've always wanted a Wildog bumper, but they just never made one with hoops, the style I wanted. Now recently they did launch a brand new one for the D4-ds that has the hoops included. The Wildog one is winch compatible, where this one isn't. You can make it winch compatible, but it isn't as standard winch compatible, this one I have. And then lastly, it's just style, just change up the style a bit. So like I said, this is phase one. Phase one is fitting the bumper. Phase two will doing the respray, going to color match it with the car like this one is. And then phase three will be adding the accessories like the winch and the M-Tech antenna. But first, we have to get this one off. So this plate over there, that is the winch plate. So that is the important factor, which the winch goes on top of that, and that whole system mounts to the chassis. So then I've got recovery points there, and I've got high lift jack points over there. So that entire piece there, the bumper attaches to that, to the chassis, and then like I said, that makes it winch compatible versus the other bumper. So here's the Wildog bumper, the inside of it, and then here's the inside of the previous bumper. So you could have made it winch compatible. There is space, you can put it in there if you really want to, but this one comes with the whole setup that goes there where they're doing now. Next up was phase 3. We already completed phase 2 with a color match respray, but unfortunately I didn't get any footage of that. We are now at Adventure Direct for phase 3 and they are fitting the 9.5 pound Runva Winch. This is the largest winch which would fit in the bumper and it should do the job. I also opted for the synthetic rope for less weight and it is the safer option. The winch line is 30 meters in length at full extension and it also comes with a wireless remote, which I was really excited about. And there we go, we are done with phase 1, 2 and 3 and the front end has now been renewed on Akela. So bumper was first, had the bumper fitted. The reason why I went for a different bumper, this is a Wildog bumper. I've always wanted a Wildog bumper but they never made one with hoops. So this is a very new addition to their range of Wildog bumper, but they have the hoops on it for the D4-d variants. Then also it is winch compatible. My previous bumper was not winch compatible, so you'll see in the install that you need to add a winch plate, which basically attaches the chassis to each other. It's basically another piece of extension of the chassis gets added, and that's where the winch gets bolted to. I could have made it work with my previous one, but this comes as a kit together all in one. So that's also a reason why I got it, and it's raining. So basically that's why I got it, so that I can fit my Runva Winch, which is also then another accessory to fit is the Runva Winch. I've always wanted a winch and now I have a winch. So now I can get myself stuck properly, especially with mud like this. So there we go, there we have it. If you have any questions about the bumper, the winch, the whole setup, let me know in the comments below. Let me get out of this rain, there's a lot more coming.